guys, today I'll be showing you how to make slime with toothpaste and glue. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is use Kate's Crest toothpaste. I don't know if you can use another toothpaste, but this is the one I used, so. I'm gonna use pink because I want pink slime. After that, you're gonna use some glue. Then you're gonna mix up everything. It's actually sticking already, oh wow. You just have to mix it. If it's already, mixed up, then that means it's already ready. After that, oh, okay. Okay, you can just take it out and you have perfectly good looking slime. Okay guys, bye, and I hope it works for you. So yeah, bye bye.